Hello, my name is Derek Rubleski. I graduated from the University of Regina with a major in accounting.
I am Matthew Gilbury. I have a Bachelor of Business Administration, majoring in accounting from the University of Regina.
And I went through the CPA program and I recently passed the CFE.
And I'm currently about halfway through the CPA program. And I am employed with MNP in Eston, Saskatchewan as an accountant. Excel, my university career, is also quite important because I have to use it for projects, obviously, and various other things like keeping income statement or balance sheet, making one of those up in Excel just makes it easier than on paper. So Excel is quite important in university.
When I was in university, I used Excel, in some of my accounting classes, but I guess at the time I didn't really use it as much as I maybe should have. Now that I'm in the workforce and I see how powerful of a tool it is and how often we do use it, it would have been nice maybe to take an earlier approach into getting used to it when I was in university.
With Excel, you can save quite a bit of time because, for example, if you had to add up a bunch of stuff for a client or in a project or in CPA, you can just use a simple sum format, and then if one of them changes, you don't have to go back and re-add them all together. So if you have 30 items you're trying to add together, and then you have the sum format, you just have to, it automatically updates when you change one number rather than you have to go back in and re-add it manually yourself. Or if you want to add numbers into the numbers that are being summed, it's quite easy to do that as well. Excel skill is quite important in the workplace. I use it all around for bank reconciliations, other continuities for stuff in the file itself. Excel is also used by our clients. Sometimes the clients send in the Excel format with their bookkeeping, and then I have to transform that. So I have to be very good with Excel in order for it to be used in various aspects, whether it's me using the client stuff or through client records or various other things such as that. So it is very important in my line of work.
You're going to be spending half of your day on your mattress, so you need to buy a good mattress. It's the same idea with accounting. You're going to be spending probably 6 hours a day in the program, so you might as well get used to it and learn the tips and tricks to be efficient. One of the things that I will say is it's best to use very strong formatting, otherwise maybe your teacher won't appreciate your work.
The CPA program, Excel is absolutely required to have the skill in it because your weekly projects are submitted in Excel and Word. So if you do not know how to use Excel, you're going to have a real hard time doing the CPA program.
So in CPA we have weekly assignments, and I can't think of a single week where I wouldn't have used Excel in some capacity. One of the things I will say is that yes, you will be using a spreadsheet-like software for your exams, and a lot of the functionality from that does come from Excel, so it's good to learn ahead of time what those functions are and which ones are working in that software. Otherwise you might have an issue come test time. So
Excel is even more so important in CPA than university or work, in my opinion, because like you said, it's basically reliant. I have to submit my stuff and I have to do my exams with Excel. I don't have the choice to not use Excel.
Excel is fundamental to accounting. To say that you're professional in accounting should mean that you're a professional in Excel.